বাংলা রিলায়েন্সের বিনিয়োগ বেড়ে হবে দ্বিগুণ। বিশ্ববঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলন থেকে 1 লক্ষ কোটি টাকা লগ্নির ঘোষণা মুকেশ আম্বানির। তিনি জানিয়েছেন আগামী 9 মাসে কলকাতায় তৈরি করা হবে এআই ডেটা সেন্টার। এছাড়া বস্ত্রশিল্প ও সোলার এনার্জি সেক্টরেও বিনিয়োগ করবে রিলায়েন্স।
আজকে আমি খুব স্যাটিসফাইড। মুকেশজি যেটা বলেছেন, কলকাতা থেকে সারা পৃথিবীকে ওরা ডিজিটালের মধ্যে দিয়ে চালাবে। আর তাছাড়া ওরা আরও অনেক ব্যাপারে 50,000 কোটি টাকা বিনিয়োগ করছে এবং ডবল ইনভেস্টমেন্ট 1 লক্ষ কোটি টাকার উপর বাংলায় করবে 2-1 বছরের মধ্যে।
Today, in less than a decade, our investments in Bengal have increased 20 times and we are invested over 50,000 crores of rupees. Mamta Didi, we shall double this investment by the end of this decade.
নিউ টাউনের বিশ্ব বাংলা কনভেনশন সেন্টার, এখানেই বুধবার থেকে 2 দিনের বিশ্ববঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলন। হাজির দেশের শীর্ষ শিল্পপতিরা। সম্মেলনের প্রথম দিনেই বাংলায় দ্বিগুণ লগ্নির ঘোষণা মুকেশ আম্বানি।
In 2016, when I first attended this summit, Reliance's investment stood below 2,000 crores. Today, in less than a decade, our investments in Bengal have increased 20 times and we are invested over 50,000 crores of rupees. Mamta Didi, we shall double this investment by the end of this decade. Our investments have created over 1 lakh direct jobs and spurred significant economic growth in West Bengal. I want to make 5 specific commitments. Jio is also building Bengal's first cable landing station in Digha so that we have fiber connectivity directly into West Bengal. It will be commissioned early next year. AI is indispensable for India's transformation into a deep tech nation with advanced manufacturing capabilities. Jio is currently building the world's best AI infrastructure in India. Data centers are at the heart of AI infrastructure. It gives me great pleasure to announce today that we have modified our data center in Calcutta to a state-of-the-art AI-ready data center, and that will be ready in the next 9 months. We plan to expand our network to 1,700 stores in the next 3 years. Swadesh, our new initiative, is supporting the priceless and incredible diverse heritage of India's art and craft. It provides a platform for the best in Bengal to make their products available all over India and now all over the world. For example, we are selling through our Indian and global retail and Swadesh stores, which we will open in London, New York and Paris, Bengal's finest Jamdani and Tant saris, Baluchari, Murshidabad, Vishnupur and Tusar silk saris, Kantha saris, muslin, as well as jute and khadi products made in Bengal. Reliance would like to contribute to Bengal's green economy. Our motto is Solar Bangla for a Sonar Bangla, and we look forward to contributing with solar energy. The Reliance Foundation is privileged to partner with the state government and serve in the Kalighat temple renovation project. Mamta Didi, I have to thank you personally for giving us this opportunity to serve. Our foundation remains committed to serving the needs of the state and contribute to various initiatives of the government in making the people's lives better.
News 18 Bangla.
অষ্টম বিশ্ববঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলন, হাজির দেশের শীর্ষ শিল্পপতিরা। তাদের মুখে বারবার মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের প্রশংসা।
My dear Mamta Didi, your name Mamta stands for empathy or compassion. But Didi, in your name stands for a tireless leader. You are empathy and energy personified.
বিশ্ববঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলন নিউ টাউনের সম্মেলন থেকে একাধিক বিনিয়োগ ঘোষণা করলেন শিল্পপতিরা। একই সঙ্গে তাদের মুখে বারবার মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের প্রশংসা।
Just now, Mamta Didi told me she walks 64,000 steps. And then Sajan and I are sitting with her. I said, oh, 64,000 a week. That's okay. She said, no, it's 64,000 steps every single day. And that is her energy that she has. One of your own poems has a beautiful Bengali phrase, Mayar Mukt Swargo Sukh. It translates to a mother's space is the bliss of heaven. It reflects the cultural sentiment in Bengal and beyond.
जिस तरीके से हमारे बंगाल की मुख्यमंत्री ने प्रयास किया है, देश में भी दूसरे देशों के साथ बेहतर व्यापारिक रिश्ते, कई सारी टेक्नोलॉजी को लेकर, इंडस्ट्री को लेकर एक साथ चलने का एक कार्य योजना बनता है।
We have seen over the last several years how this state has transformed under the dynamic and visionary leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister. Her boundless energy and passion to usher in a new paradigm of socio-economic progress, and congratulate you, Madam, for all that you have done to transform West Bengal.
Honorable Chief Minister, your humility, simplicity and steadfast commitment to nurturing Bhutan and West Bengal ties have touched the hearts of every Bhutanese. Mamata Didi is a household name in Bhutan, a reflection of the warmth and admiration our people feel for you and the people of Bengal.
নিউজ 18 বাংলা।
বিশ্ববঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলনে বাংলার প্রশংসা। মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর উদ্যোগে রাজ্যে লগ্নির পরিবেশ বললেন শিল্পপতিরা। বিভিন্ন সামাজিক প্রকল্পেরও প্রশংসা করলেন তারা।
Mamta Didi, my heartiest congratulations to you and your government. What a splendid summit you have organized. This summit is consistently becoming bigger and more prestigious. And today we have 20 global partner countries with us. And why is this so? Because Bengal under Mamta Didi means business. And Mamta Didi always means business, and business from her heart.
নিউ টাউনে বিশ্ববঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলন, হাজির দেশের শীর্ষ শিল্পপতিরা। তাদের সকলেরই মুখে বাংলার প্রশংসা, এমনকি বাংলায় বিনিয়োগের জন্য আহ্বানও করলেন।
Reliance has had a wonderful experience of doing business in this state. With Didi at the helm, the business community receives a red carpet treatment in Bengal. So friends, come to Bengal and script new and beautiful chapters in Bengal's growth story. And the Honorable Chief Minister, Mamta Didi, once more I assure you that Reliance will always be a reliable partner. One of your own poems has a beautiful Bengali phrase, Mayar Mukt Swargo Sukh. It reflects the cultural sentiment in Bengal and beyond, where a mother's love is considered sacred and divine. Empathy for the common people is the guiding principle on all your policies and welfare schemes. This is most striking, seen in your initiatives for the education of the girl child, women's empowerment. All of India needs this kind of inclusive and sustainable model of development so that no Indian is left behind and no region in India is left behind. Within this fast-changing India, Bengal has become a source of growth and hope. Therefore, it is the best time for investing in Bengal as we are marching towards leadership based on technology and the power of our youth. Bengal's strategic location and fast improving physical infrastructure gives the state an enviable edge.
It's a state which has got a vibrant industrial sector and extremely industry-friendly policies now with all the changes that have been made over several years. The focus on the social development, which has also received global acknowledgement, whether it's schemes like Bishwa Bangla to promote Bengal-made products, to Kanyashri to empower girl child, Lakshmi Bhandar for financial empowerment, and Swasthya Sachi to offer healthcare insurance. They address a very important social requirement in the state.
We have, with the Honorable Chief Minister and the bureaucracy here, a very, very supportive and positive-looking, proactive support system that helps if you are having any difficulty. It's a very, very supportive and encouraging environment, and it is because of that that we have the courage and the willingness to continue to invest in the state.
We've now have assets of close to 40,000 crores in the state. We've been investing steadily, and I must say we've had no issues whatsoever. Things have moved fast, clinically, and in a business-like manner. We have another 10,000 crores in the pipeline under implementation.
But I must say that the Honorable Chief Minister gives 100% effort to make sure that we progress in the manner she wants to. In a small way over the last 1 year, we've been trying to invest in the state. And the support not only from her, but from the people who work at the office, from the WBITC, from the other departments of the government, the support I have received, and I'm sure many of you have received over the past 1 year, has been phenomenal.
News 18 Bangla.